record. I'm sure it's for sale here. We got one more new song, and then an old one. Just in case you want to know the schedule.
27 quid.
That's a lot of money. Maybe it comes with the frame.
That's a lot of money. It comes with an LP and a CD.
Yeah, I think it's probably worth it if you look at the fine print.
Oh, sorry, it's supposed to be selling things. For Christ's sakes. Oh, I want the CBGB's t-shirt.
Tapes are only £2 for a tape.
What?
A tape is only £2.
Bargains to be had up here.
I think it's Dylan's fault, not theirs.
Don't be finding fault with the
You can
record
probably
store.
download the MP3s too. Anyway.
He really doesn't.
Vinyl.
He's on a lot of medication right now. What else? What's going to come out of his mouth next? It's interesting anyway.
That's basically the chance you take.
It's true. Hopefully not a string of 70s. Alright, you ready? This song's about love and bird migration.
Sorry, I don't know if I can do this.
Yeah, let me know when you change it.
My heart is a beating compass, pointing to the pole. The great expanse of stillness, the true magnetic north. I know the sky blue longing of a cloud of spiraling birds, all turning in an instant. The perfect spinning world. I feel the loneliness of magnets and the tides across the sea. I am the dark valley calling to trembling mountain peak. I told you. Wherever you are tonight, as you close your eyes to sleep, think of me as you drift away to the mist of silver dreams, and I will find you in the darkness where the water turns to steam. You'll pull upon my heart. I feel the loneliness of magnets and the tides across the sea. I call you from dark valleys, and I hear you echoing.
I want to remind you, I don't know, well, I tell you, we haven't done a record store show in years and years. And the only reason we did this one was because everyone said Spillers was a really special place, and I think it is a special place, so I'm glad that we did it. You're lucky to have this place. Most towns don't have a great record store anymore, so support Spillers. So thanks everybody, and come on over to the St. David's if you can later, see some more songs, and we'll have another guitarist.